So there's this guy who's, well, he's generating a massive income from Faceless AI YouTube channels. And we're
Mm-hmm.
talking about
Right?
something around $50K every month, which is pretty wild.
Wow, seriously? You mean he literally never shows his face and still pulls in all that cash?
Exactly. It's like he built his channel using tools like
Yeah.
Pictory and 11 Labs, creating these engaging videos without ever stepping in front of the camera. It's it's like a modern day gold rush in the digital world.
That's insane. How does like a faceless YouTube channel even work? I mean, are the videos all AI generated?
Yeah, precisely. The process, it's like um, you feed in your script, let the AI generate the voice with 11 Labs, and then Pictory helps you assemble all the visuals, all
Right.
fully automated. It's basically a full on YouTube automation strategy.
And does that mean anyone can do this sort of thing? I've seen a few channels try, but none seem to hit those numbers.
Well, sure, the potential is there, but it's not like a one size fits all solution. It requires some savvy with the tools and an understanding of how to engage an audience without the personal touch.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about leveraging AI in a clever way.
I get that, but sometimes it sounds a bit too automated, almost missing that, human element. Doesn't that affect the vibe?
I can see where you're coming from, but here's a thought. When done right, it's like creating a digital persona that's streamlined and efficient. It's a
Yeah.
new kind of authenticity in the content world.
True, true. It really challenges traditional ideas of content creation. I mean, imagine making 50K a month without ever having to be on camera. That's some next level outsourcing of creativity.
Exactly, and it's not just about money. It sets a precedent for how AI can empower creators. With the right tools, you can automate the entire content production cycle, from scripting to visuals to voiceovers, all while keeping costs super low. It's a game changer.
Right. So, do you think this trend will continue to grow, or is it more like a flash in the pan?
I believe it's here to stay. The efficiency is undeniable, and as AI tools keep improving, the barrier to entry lowers even more.
Mm-hmm.
It's like um, technology is democratizing success on platforms like YouTube.
That's a fascinating perspective. It really shakes up conventional wisdom about what it takes to build a successful channel.
Absolutely. And it shows that sometimes you don't need to follow the traditional path. A face to camera approach isn't the only ticket to success anymore,
Yeah.
especially when artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules.
Thanks for breaking that down. It's definitely food for thought for anyone looking to, dive into the AI content space.
For sure, it's an exciting time. Who would have thought that an AI powered faceless channel could make waves like this, right? The
Mm-hmm.
future is indeed fascinating.